Dear friends, RUDN University is honored to be the organizing partner of the first QS Subject Focus Summit on Modern Languages and Linguistics. This event will become a site for top-level meetings. 300 participants from 50 countries will discuss modern languages, migration, and globalization challenges. Our key speakers are the best linguists from Australia, France, Great Britain, Japan, Spain, the USA, and Russia. It is not by chance that RUDN is a site for this event. Languages are very important for our university. Last year, we entered top 150 QS subject ranking for modern languages. RUDN is in the top 200 for linguistics, which is a very fast growth. RUDN University unites students from 158 countries. This is 500 nationalities and dozens of majors. They are different, but they always find a common language. I am sure the summit will help you feel the friendly atmosphere of RUDN. This is an outstanding event. It will be online, so you can join discussions of top linguists. It starts on December 15. Welcome to RUDN University.